Today I'll be going through this LeetCode question. If you haven't subscribed to my LeetCode channel, please subscribe. Thank you. We are given two strings, S1 and S2. We want to find out if there's a permutation of S1 that exists in S2. We can see that BA is one of the permutation. So AB and BA. BA exists in S2. As we can see, the answer should return true. Okay, so for the second example, we can see that there's a O in front. So there's no permutation for S1 that exists that will result in BOA. So the answer is gonna be false, as we can see right here. How can we approach this question? So one way to do this is to have two arrays. The first array will store the frequency of AB, and the second array will store the frequency of S2. Once we store the frequency of A, we want to perform sliding window. So we only want to store in between the length of string 1. So once we start from this part, we want to check if the array A, if it equals to B. If the array A equals to the B, it means that they are exactly the same. So if they are exactly the same, it means that the permutation exists, which is true. So we go from EI. If it does not exist, we go to ID, then BD, BA. We found that array B contains BA, and array A also contains BA. So they are both the same. So if they are the same, A equals to B, we want to return true. First, we want to find the size of the string, and we want to create two arrays. The array size is going to be 26 because there's only 26 alphabets in the English language. We create a for loop here to increment the count of A. And for this part, we want to loop through S2, the string. We want to increment the count of the frequency. And if the two arrays are the same, we just want to return true. Thanks for watching.